Yo, what's going on, y'all? This is crazy. So last night I had an order. Uh, I had a trade. I was trading last night, but I set a stop sell as a stop loss um, on the trade, right? And what happened was I forgot to. What happened was I forgot to close that trade. Like I got out of the trade. Um, but I didn't close that cell stop, and I went to sleep. And literally, I woke up this morning. Now, mind you, I was in this trade over here, which didn't fully pan out. I got out with a little profit, but eventually, as you can see, it came back down and it started to. So that stop sell was right down here. So it looks like all through the night, me not knowing, um, I got into that trade and it was just running. And then I woke up this morning and I just happened to look at the screen and I'm like, yo, what the hell's going on? And long and behold, this shit is in profit and it's just going down. That's crazy. So, hey, let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and hold it and let's see what it does. You really got to be careful with this trading stuff and putting in stop sells. You got to mark out your TPs and stop losses with, I think they call it brackets, with the brackets or whatever. Basically, when you put your sell stops or stop loss, you adjust that so it could automatically hit. Otherwise, you're potentially leaving trades open and forgetting about it. I could have woke up this morning to a blown account. It's crazy. But I woke up in profit, so I guess this Friday is starting out better than I thought. So I hope we get a dump. If not, I'm up anyway. So let's see how it plays out. So I'm recording this on my phone. This is my Lucid 25K account. Uh, so like I said, this could have been blown easily. I'm recording this on my phone because my desktop was tripping and lagging. Don't come up. Let's just go down. Make this a good Friday for me. Um, my account was just, I mean, my laptop was just lagging, so I just jumped, I closed that out. I opened up on my laptop and I opened up on my laptop and logged into the account because I didn't want it to flip on me because I'm literally seeing that at 9:30. I got to the market late. That's crazy. Um, Here I am laying in my bed like everything is all good, and I didn't realize I got an account going. Come on, let's go down. Let's not do this. But either way, I'm good. I'll hold it. I don't want to hold it too long. I'm not going to give away any free money. And I hope this next candle flips. Look, because we seem pretty bearish. I didn't even get a chance to do any analysis. I'm just in this trade, so I don't know which way it wants to go. But like I said, I'm good. Oh, see, this is some bull. Come on. Flip below. With my luck, this should have just shoot to the top. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's just drop from here. See, this is some bull. Come on, drop, drop. We need a serious dump from here. Fucking bullshit. Come on. Damn, I should have closed it when I got in. Frick. Gave up all that money. Now I bet it dropped. Stupid shit. Motherfucker, man. And it sure did drop. Some. And with that candle, this motherfucker like it wants to ride to the top. I'm pissed. Should have took that profit. What I didn't like is this damn strong support area that it was forming down here. Should have let me know it was going to push up. But oh well, like I said, could have been a loss. Anyway, this is probably going to be my trade for this Friday. Actually, I'm going to trade this account. See if I could get halfway past this evaluation and get this little account out the way. I'm not trading my Express today, I don't think. Damn, I just gave up some free bread. Damn it. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and comment. But this baby probably going up. Okay, I got back into the trade. Let's see if I can recoup some of that money from earlier. I just need 600 bucks. Actually, I just need about 550. I'm not taking no loss though. If it stopped me out, then to hell with it. Because we're right into a bullish fair value gap. This might swing back to the top. Let's see what it wants to do. 54, so 5, 5, 6. Let's go, baby. I'm recording on the phone today. All right, let's see if we can break this bottom. If we could break this resistance zone, then I feel like we'll be all good. It looks like it wants to reject out of that fair value gap. Let's see. We just need a strong push down. Let's see if it'll go. Push down, you degenerate. Come on, push down. We don't need nothing to go up. Down, down. That probably gonna take me out with this candle. Push down, push down. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I could say we're bearish. There we go. I'm trading very small with this account because it's a small account. And the way that YM has been trading lately, those candles have been massive. So if you get it wrong, you're out of the game fast. Come on, don't flip on me. Just go. There's no reason to come back up from here. Let's go ahead and break these lows. And keep my trail right above this current candle. This is not even my setup. I'm just in it because we swept this. We swept this right here and closed below. And like I said, I didn't even get to do a proper analysis this morning. So we just swept the 5-minute high, looks like. So I don't know how long that's gonna last. If we can't break this bottom, I'll just take profit down there. And I'll be all right. Still up for today. Let's go, baby. Push down. I know you want to go down. Come down to Papa TP. Looks like it want to flip. Frickin' bastard. After all this time, you want to go green. Just flip. Just keep coming down. So basically, that was my trade analysis for the day. I woke up in a trade by mistake. Should have took profit when I woke up. I would have been up about 250, and then it hit my trailing stop, and then started coming down. So I would have still been in a hella profit at this point. However, I saw a liquidity sweep of a 5-minute high and a close under, so saw this sweep on this high, so it closed under, so I went ahead and take that. But I want to see it break this area. If it breaks this area, we're coming down. If it doesn't, I'm gonna get out this trade because we're gonna bounce back up in a range. It didn't, but I kind of like where it did close. Maybe I want to pull my stops down some more. Lock in a couple more bucks. Or should I take this? Yeah, unless we get a strong push, I'm going to go ahead and take this spread. I'm going to get it right here. I'm going to keep it right there, just in case we flip, because I want to see this break, but it's been fighting. And we just might flip back to the top. Let me take some more money. Fuck them. Yeah, whatever. It's not going to break. Okay, so I'm up for the day. Nice trade. Every time you take a trade like that, you say, man, I should have went in more. But as you can see, it's probably going to range in this area. If it was going to break this low, it should have broke it. Probably still might break it, but you know what? With my luck, it's going to flip to the top had I stayed in the trade. Now that I'm out, it'll probably break and go below. But, see? But if I stayed in the trade, it would have flipped to the top and kept going. But like I said, I'm trying to pass these evals, so what I realized with this small account is I'm going to take whatever profit it gives me and run with it. But again, this will probably flip back up. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just getting too much hesitation in this zone. And then we're in an imbalance. I don't know why it keeps coming right back into this gap like it can't break it. So there's a lot of buyers in this area. See? Apparently there's a lot of buyers in this area. And what that tells me is It's probably not going to break, or maybe not anytime soon, or it wants to push back up. Like I said, I didn't do any other analysis to see where my highs, Asian high, my session highs and lows are. But anyway, this was a short video today. Let me go ahead and wrap this one up. If I take another trade, maybe I'll record it, but so far we're green for the day, baby. We're up. See? Didn't break the area. It closed right above that little zone that I drew out. I just think it's just not ready to break out yet. It's gonna eventually break, but this might be it. But look how it closed. Precisely in that little box that I draw. The little gray box. Let's see if it holds. Yep, breaking right back up to the top. Once again, glad I took my profit. This is a strong zone right in here. A very strong buying zone.